Hello guys, to another video for me today, and I will draw a cute video this time, quite easy. This will be a great video for a present or a postcard. I will draw a heart with with one feather, really cute sketch, and this is something everyone can try. So I will draw the outline and then I will speed the drawing up a little bit. So this will not be an ordinary heart sketch, and I know a lot of people don't know how to draw hearts. Like when you ask them draw a shape of heart, they are really not good at it. So let's try it simple. So basically, I always draw hearts freehand. I don't really think about it too much, and usually sometimes you kind of get it. And sometimes you make it too big or too small or whatever, so it really depends. On a day, sometimes I can even draw a heart that looks really nice. So this will be the basic shape. Also, as you can see, I could have went more on the upside there. Maybe I will correct it later. But for right now, this will stay as it is. From here, I will start the feather. So the feather will go here, and then I'm gonna go a little bit straight down. Then another feather here, and here. I'm gonna just redraw this. So basically this way. So now I think I need to go from here. From here, let's go straight down, again down, and then I'm gonna go here. I could have made it a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna keep it just as it is. So then I'm gonna draw another line. So this is quite a design sketch, so you can really make your own if you want. It really depends. You kind of don't have to draw the one that I did if you want a better one. So you can actually make your design if you want. If you don't want to think about it, you can just use what I'm doing right now. So there will be a third line here. This is gonna go further. Here, the third line. Let's make it here. And here. And then I guess we can make one here. So one more thing, I'm gonna draw one here, somewhere here. So basically the outline is done. Now I'm gonna color this part right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this outline once again, black. I'm gonna shade a little bit here. I'm gonna draw like these lines. I'm gonna draw these with you guys here. So here, and now I'm just gonna do like this. I'm gonna redraw the lines, make them darker, and shade them a little bit here. So it will take me, I think, 20, maybe 30 minutes, and let's see you guys in the end. Okay guys, I have finished this sketch. Now I'm just gonna blend everything with a brush so that it would have this shade all around it. Really nothing to stress about. I just took a synthetic brush and just smudged all over the drawing. I'm not smudging while I'm drawing. I finished everything. You have to be careful not to uh, make your hand dirty so that you smudge everything, because I did this with 4B graphite pencil, so it's really messy. But I did everything, and now you can see the difference. You know, it really makes the drawing stand out. The sketch really stands out. So I'm just really using the shading, everything that I did in this drawing, and I'm just smudging it with a synthetic brush. So this has been the best way to shade for me, the brushes. So just some last adjustments, and yes, so this sketch is done. It's an easy, cute design sketch, heart with some feather style, like something I don't really even know how you can call it. But I hope you like this sketch. You can draw this as a present for someone, or just, I don't know, if you want to draw something really cool, really sweet, so you can try this. I hope you like this video that I did. I'm gonna be drawing more videos this week. I think I will have 4 or 5 videos this week, so be sure to check those out. And I hope you liked the video, guys. Let's see you in the next one. So